I thought we'd show everybody Noah's new trick. You heard your name. Yeah? Good job, honey. Blow some raspberries. Yeah. Good job. Blow some raspberries. You have a lot of drool on your face, mister. Yes, you do. Good job. Good job. Blow some more. Oh, we're checking out Duke. Duke walked by. Duke, give Noah kisses. Give Noah kisses. Good job. Thank you, honey. Noah. Noah. What you doing over here? This is his favorite thing. The little bee, he bites on it. Duke, hey. Oh, is that yummy? Yeah, is that yummy? No more raspberries? No? Like you did the whole time we were in the grocery store? Yeah? I bet people down the other aisle were thinking Mama was doing something. Yeah. Okay, say bye-byes. Bye. See you later.